So I'm back with a quick little update. I just want to let you guys know I am back on track with the upload schedule starting tomorrow. Gonna be doing some actual real legit product reviews. I know some of you guys really enjoy those kinds of videos, so I'm bringing them back. Gonna be actually doing full in-depth product reviews, which I enjoy making, and that's fun. So yeah, I'm also gonna be doing some live streaming over on my second channel, Gaming Made Easy. So if you guys want to go check that out, it will be linked in the description of this video. I'm gonna be streaming Fortnite over there, doing some hangouts with you guys, talking to you guys, live chat, stuff like that. If you guys have any video suggestions you want to leave me, stuff you want me to upload in the future, just let me know with a comment down below. I'm going to be sure to read all of those and hear your feedback on that. So yeah, back on track tomorrow. Looking forward to it. Guys, stay tuned for all that. Subscribe so you can see future uploads and hit that notification bell so you know exactly when I upload, because YouTube is a little finicky right now when it comes to actually notifying you guys. So smash that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, and go subscribe to my second channel. Do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.